Hi friends, welcome to our channel DIY Almost Everything. I had a problem while doing the new construction. The plumber did not put this correctly. It is down, so I'm planning to put a tap here. Very simple process. I have this Tapudia pipe cutter, not very great quality. I bought this from Amazon. I will cut the pipe from here. It's very easy to cut. Try to cut from center so that in future you can use this. Start. So I have brought this reducer which is from 1.1 inch to 1.5 inch. Just put the solution. Again because I want to put it to half inch, I am using this solution. Now I am putting a smaller pipe. So one reducer, another reducer to make it half inch. Obviously I can get from market, but because I already had this home, so I am using this. Otherwise I could have purchased more. Now I am putting a bend.